The open loop transfer function of a unity feedback system is given by G of S equal to 1 upon S multiplied by S plus 1. The input to the system is described by R of t equal to 4 plus 60. Evaluate the generalized error coefficients and steady state error coefficients. We know that E of t equal to C naught R of t plus C1 R dot of t plus C2 R double dot of t plus etc. Where C naught equal to limit S tends to 0 f of S. C1 equal to limit S tends to 0 S f dash of S. And C2 equal to limit S tends to 0 f double dash of S. Where f of S equal to 1 upon 1 plus G of S. Therefore, f of S equal to 1 upon 1 plus 1 by S multiplied by S plus 1. That is equal to S multiplied by S plus 1 upon S multiplied by S plus 1 plus 1. That is equal to S square plus S upon S square plus S plus 1. This is f of S. Therefore, C naught equal to limit S tends to 0 f of S. That is S square plus S upon S square plus S plus 1. That is equal to 0. C1 equal to limit S tends to 0 f dash. That is derivative of this. That is S square plus S plus 1 whole square S square plus S plus 1 multiplied by derivative of numerator, that is 2S plus 1 minus S square plus S derivative of denominator, that is 2S plus 1. 2S plus 1 is common, therefore S square plus S plus 1 minus S square minus S multiplied by 2S plus 1 upon S square plus S plus 1. S square and S getting cancelled. Therefore, 2S plus 1 upon S square plus 1. If you substitute S tends to 0, this is equal to 1. C2 equal to what? C2 equal to. Again, we have to differentiate this. Square. Denominator, you will get S square plus S plus 1 whole square. Whole power 4. Therefore, S square plus S plus 1 whole square. If the derivative of this is 2S plus 1 minus 2S plus 1, then derivative of this is 2 multiplied by S square plus S plus 1. Then derivative of this is 2S plus 1. So, if you substitute limit S tends to 0, limit S tends to 0. If you substitute S equal to 0, you will get 1 here. Here also 1, 2, you will get minus 1, 2. Here also you will get 1, 1. Whole divided by numerator is 0. 1 power 4 is 1. Denominator also 1. 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, E of t equal to C naught is 0. Therefore, C1 is 1. Therefore, R of t, R dot of t plus this is 0. 0 R double dot of t plus etc. Here R of t is given. Evaluate the generalized error coefficients. Coefficients we got only one coefficient we got. We can check for R power 3 dot. You have to differentiate once again this and you have to find. Let us R of t equal to 4 plus 60. Therefore, R dot of t equal to R dot of t equal to 0 plus 6. 0 plus 6. Therefore, E of t equal to 6 multiplied by 1 equal to 6. E steady state equal to limit t tends to infinity E of t. That is equal to limit t tends to infinity 6 equal to 6. Therefore, steady state error is 6.